Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Payroll. First, select the payroll service that best fits your business, whether it's basic, enhanced, or full service. Next, accurately input your company's federal and state tax identification numbers. This is crucial for proper tax reporting. Finally, add each employee's personal details, including their address, social security number, and tax withholding information from their W-4 form. Now let's define how your employees are paid. For each team member, specify their pay rate, whether they earn an hourly wage or a fixed salary. Then, establish your company's pay schedule, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, ensuring consistency. Lastly, decide on the payment method. You can set up direct deposit for convenience or print professional paychecks directly from QuickBooks, saving time and effort. Next, it's vital to review and confirm that all federal and state tax settings within QuickBooks Payroll are accurate and up-to-date. This ensures correct tax calculations and compliance. Then, add any necessary deductions, such as pre-tax contributions for health insurance or post-tax deductions for garnishments. Finally, make sure all your payroll items are correctly linked to the appropriate accounts in your general ledger for seamless financial tracking. With everything set up, you're ready to run payroll. Simply enter employee hours or confirm salaries, and QuickBooks will calculate everything automatically. After processing, generate and file essential payroll tax forms, such as Form 941, directly through the system. This streamlines your compliance efforts. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.